Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Aether Games token. So in order to get this token, open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com, link in description of the video. So now once you're on CoinMarketCap, by using our link, simply scroll down and copy its Polygon contract address. Once it's been copied, scroll down a bit more and you'd find the list of exchanges that have the Aether Games token listed. We have KuCoin, Bybit for centralized exchange, Uniswap for the decentralized, and QuickSwap as well. So guys, with this in mind, in order to get your Aether Games token, I'm going to be showing you how to buy them on centralized exchange. And the centralized exchange we're going to be working with for today's video is Bybit. So make sure you have your Bybit installed. And once you've installed Bybit, simply locate the Bybit app and open it up. Once Bybit has opened up, make sure you have an account on Bybit. If you do not have an account on Bybit, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 5,020 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify. So guys, you're on a verified account and you wish to buy some Bybit, all you need to do is simply head to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, click on the deposit option and you're met with depositing via your credit card, P2P trading, or depositing crypto you have outside of Bybit. You could do this by clicking on deposit crypto and you simply deposit any cryptocurrency you hold outside of Bybit. You could also deposit fiat via any means that are shown, like the Russian ruble, the Mexican peso. All you need to do is click on any of them and follow through with the rules that are shown. That is a bank transfer. Follow through with the bank transfer. The deposit instructions are shown and agree to their terms of service and you can easily continue. So that's how you can deposit fiat. You could also make use of your credit card by linking your credit card to the Bybit platform. That can only be done when you have a verified account. So please make sure your account is verified. So guys, once you've been able to deposit cryptocurrency, be it USDT, Ethereum, or any cryptocurrency outside of the USDT, you could simply click on the convert option and easily convert from one cryptocurrency into the other, like the Bitcoin to the USDT and Ethereum to USDT, whichever works. So once you've gotten yourself some USDT, head to the markets option at the bottom of the screen, click on the spot icon at the top of the screen, and simply use the search icon. So once you've clicked on search for EAG, and you'd find the Aether Games token. Select the Aether Games token USDT, click on it, and click on OK. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can buy on a centralized. So the drop down that says limit, click on this drop down and select market. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to buy the Aether Games token for and click on buy. Once you've done this, you'll find the token in your wallet underneath the spot wallet option. So click on spot and the Aether Games tokens would be here. So guys, that's how you can get it on a centralized exchange. For a decentralized exchange, minimize and open up your MetaMask. With the MetaMask opened up, all you need to do is input your passcode. And once you've entered your passcode, the Ethereum main network at the top of the screen, click on the Ethereum main network, scroll down and click on add network. We're going to be adding the Polygon mainnet for this tutorial video. So click on add Polygon mainnet, click on approve. Click on switch to network and we've moved over to the Polygon mainnet. So once you're on the Polygon mainnet, all you need to do is quite simple. The browser icon at the bottom right, click on the browser icon. Once you've clicked on the browser icon, simply use the search bar or the URL bar to search for Uniswap. So click on the Uniswap you found and make sure you move the network from the Ethereum main network to the Polygon network. So once Uniswap has opened up, simply scroll down and click on the Connect Wallet option. Select Wallet Connect and once the Wallet Connect options are shown, click on Select Wallet and select the MetaMask as the wallet we wish to connect. So once you've selected MetaMask, click on Connect and it's been connected to Uniswap. So all you need to do now is where we have the Select Tokens option, click on this Select Tokens option. Paste the contract address of the token we just copied from CoinMarketCap. And once you've pasted the address, simply click or select the token. Click on Aether Games, click on I understand. And now you could easily convert your Matic into the Aether Games token. So guys, once you've been able to convert your Matic into the Aether Games token, head to the wallet section where we have import tokens. Click on import tokens, click on custom tokens, paste the contract address for the token we just copied. The token symbol and token decimal would be shown, and once they are shown, click on the import option. Once the tokens are on your token list, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.